I'm back. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, then hi, I'm Strange. And if you also don't know me, hi, I'm Strange. And welcome back to my channel with Simile. So this video is kind of highly requested. By highly requested, I mean 4 to 5 people. Before starting this video, I want to tell few things, that is, if you're having any kind of trouble with your skin, if it is treatable only by the doctor, then please go to a doctor or watch any kind of video by a doctor, because only they can help you. In this video, I will show you the product I use. Firstly, I have a combination skin. If you have a combination skin, then the product I use will suit your skin types. And I am not promoting any kind of products over here, because I'll be showing different types of different brand products. So obviously all of them didn't pay me to make this video. It's my honest review, because I've been using this since a very long time. It's been years I've been using it, and yeah, this is my skincare routine. So yes, what do I use on my skin? Sometimes I don't use anything. I am very lazy. And if you relate to me, if you are also lazy, then you will relate to this type of skincare routine I follow. I mean, yeah, there is a certain thing that everyone follows, like first you use your face wash, then toner, then serum, then mask, and there are many 15 steps are there, and there are also 3 steps also there, which is very basic, like face wash, toner, moisturizer. That's it. Sometimes I don't also use that. Basically, see, you have seen all my vlog. If you haven't, then go check it out. What are you waiting for? I give fun vlogs and I kind of give reviews also. This is a kind of review and kind of what I do for my skincare sort of a video. But if you want to see my vlog, my daily vlog, which is kind of sometimes aesthetic, sometimes funny, so I am still experimenting with my videos in this channel. So basically what I use, so I got this entire pack full of all the 3 items which I usually use. I usually buy this one. This is a saver pack for me, and I get from the pack. First I apply the face wash. See, as you see, it's written here 3-in-1 deep cleansing, and it has aloe vera also in it, so it's very good for your skin. And it's written white glow. It gives a natural glow on your skin with whichever complexion you are. So I'm not promoting any kind of complexion over here. So this product only suits on my skin, and that's why I am showing. I have a combination skin type. So basically combination skin type is what? Your face is oily only on this portion, on your forehead and your nose portion. These portions are all dry, so that's a combination skin, like dry as well as oily, normal, all skin type basically. It's written over there, all skin types. So I use this one and it suits me, so I don't feel like changing at this moment. But yeah, I want to change, and I also want to experiment with other brands. So let's see when will I do that. The mandatory thing which I do is like use my toner. Toner is rose tone. This is also for all skin type. I preferably use this one because the smell is very nice. This is very refreshing and it suits my skin. So whatever suits my skin, I use it. There's nothing like that I only support this kind of brand or that kind of brand. I experimented when I was growing up. I experimented with few brands, but then I was introduced to Lotus, and since then I didn't go back anywhere. So but I want to experiment. But by experimenting, I mean I have used Lotus serum also. So now I have shifted to this particular thing. I'm slowly trying to adapt, trying to use different kinds of cosmetics, different kinds of brands, so that I also want to know what's there, what's out there. Come on, suggest me. If you think that for combination skin there are other best products out there, comment down below and let me know about them. So yeah, so the serum I was talking about, this is from L'Oreal. Okay, so there was a huge buzz around everywhere regarding this particular product. Like everyone was telling, this is amazing, this is very nice, this is this and this and that. Yes, I won't deny the fact this really keeps your skin very supple and really smoothens it. I use it every day. So I use it only once every day. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. Yeah, the price is kind of expensive, but yeah, it goes for 1 month for my skin. It goes for me only. I use it, so it's Yeah, 1 month is enough for this. After all this, so now what did we do? We washed our face, we applied toner, we use serum, and now the main thing, which is moisturizer. This is also from this White Glow collection. I use this for my, it's a gel cream, and this is very light on my skin and it really suits me, and till now it didn't cause any kind of harm on my skin. Basically whatever I have shown till now, if you've already used it, go for it. If you haven't, if you want to experiment, that's your call. I am not kind of promoting any kind of brand over here. I am just showing what kind of skincare I do. See, the same process is at night also, apart from I don't use serum at night, and for that I use this night cream. So this is also from that pack, and it is all night cream, White Glow, and this is also very nice. It keeps your skin very soft, and we know I have seen this. I have personally seen this because I have been using it since a very long time, that when you get up, no, you have that freshness on your skin. You will literally feel it very soft, and yeah, it's like it's very evident during winter. Yes, because in winter, like, we have dry skin, be it any kind of skin you have, you tend to have some kind of, you feel it dry. But when you wake up, if you apply this at night, when you wake up, it really makes your skin very supple. Summer, I usually don't use cream at night. I know that's not a good habit, as I have combination skin type. This portion becomes very oily, and my nose area becomes very oily, and I tend up having pimple around here, there, in this portion and that portion. Pimples are very painful. When I get pimple, it's not just rashes and like, oh, it goes away, it comes and it goes away. Literally pains me, and the spot stays forever. But for that, I have been using this Avon instant spot on gel. This does wonder. I try to minimize it using this one. It's kind of expensive. I don't remember the price. And for pimple, another thing which I use, which is very, I don't know if you'll get wherever you're watching this video, you will get it or not, but this is called Arnica ointment. Okay, that it's written that it is for any kind of bruises or anything like that, but I have kind of experimented with it. See, if you have any kind of history regarding this, this is kind of a medicinal thing, so I'm not going to promote anything. For me, I have experimented, and whenever I got any kind of pimple, I have used this Arnica and applied on it. It made it dry. The pus was not there, it made it dry, and after that it wore off and there was no scar. Some pimples don't leave scar, but some, they're very dangerous, they're very lethal, they're very stubborn, they don't usually go away from my skin. I don't know why, they love me so much. It's the basic thing I do for my Monday to Friday routine, but there is one day in a week I try to pamper my skin. So what do I do on this one day? Like, it can be a Friday, if I have weekends to go out, if I get chance to go out even for a grocery shopping. I don't do it on weekends, I do it on Friday. And if I have the whole weekend to myself, like today is a Sunday, after this video I will remove this makeup, whatever makeup I have done, like not much, but still just foundation, lipstick, eyeliner I have used. I don't use much makeup because I don't know how to make up. Like, kudos to you guys who does amazing makeup, because I personally believe makeup is an art. Yes, which I don't have. I will try to learn it. I don't have the patience to even put my eyeliner with the wing and what. I can't. I see, I have only applied with my iconic kajal. That is not the way you should do it. But I can't wing it, and yeah, I'm not proud of it. I am not proud of my own makeup because I can't do it. Now coming to the makeup removal. How do I remove my makeup? So the pampered day for this week is Sunday, today. So after this video ends, I will remove this makeup using micellar water. So for makeup, I use this one, oil infused cleansing water. Okay, I use this one after I apply makeup, and usually in a daily basis, whenever I feel lazy, I try to use this. So I hope you understand. By the product left on each of this bottle, I hope you can understand. This is like very less. I need to buy another bottle. See, all these things, though you understand face wash and all that, but before that, what I do, Vaseline, I take this, I wipe all the kajal, eyeliner and everything from my face, and trust me, this works wonder. So after using Vaseline, I will wipe it off with my Johnson wipes, and then I will use all this micellar product and all that. I will again try to use this one, so it will be squeaky clean before I even use any kind of face wash. Then I will just apply very little scrubber, yes, and that too around my nose area, this portion, because these are very stubborn. I have a combination skin. This portion is gets really oily, and that's why I use Lotus scrubber. Hope you can see this. Then after everything is done, I try to apply mask. Either I have been using Nykaa's sheet mask I got, and with all these I have also got this Lotus face mask. I am thinking to use this one. I haven't tried Lotus face mask as of yet. So after this is done, as this particular sheet mask will contain serum itself, so after this particular sheet mask ka serum is all set on my face, then I will use the night cream. Yes, and that's my skin pampering for the day. So this is the way I try to treat my skin on not a daily basis, but this kind of pampering I do it once a week. And yeah, the most important thing, water. Yes, drink as much as you want, because water is very important for the hydration on your skin and for entire body. As I told in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, then go and watch it. It's about my hair care. Today I don't have a nice hair because, as I told, I forgot to use my t-shirt and it went very frizzy. So if you haven't watched my hair care video, then go watch it. The link is in the description, or you can click if I have given any I button over here. You can go and check it out over there. Entire set in front of me is very messy, but it won't show in the video because I'll edit it. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, you know what to do, right? Hit that like button, press the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon, because hope you all know by now, because of the bell icon you will get the notification of the upcoming videos. And yes, stay safe, wear your mask, take precaution, and yeah, don't worry, this too shall pass. Okay, you're strong, you're brave, you're amazing, you're beautiful. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, chalo aschi.